Rohan, I'm just savoring the last few moments I can have with my favorite international.
Also part team owner and also occasionally sometimes an actor. Ladies and gentlemen, Ranbir Kapoor. Our very own financial wizard and now also a team owner. Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for Mr. Bimal Parekh. Also with us today, the chairperson of IMG Reliance, needs no introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, please, Mrs. Neeta Ambani. And also, heartthrob for generations, needs absolutely no introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Rishi Kapoor. It is a pleasure to have you all here today. Mr. Kapoor, you've been a cricket fan.
Which Kapoor?
This is Mr. Kapoor. This is just Ranbir. All right, is that okay? Mr. Kapoor, you're a cricket fan, and he's a football fan. Does a lot of fighting for the remote happen at home?
It's like this. Today we have a game at the Trent Bridge in Nottingham. India is playing its third one day with England. I know about it. But I don't know anything what's happening in football. It's like this that we've never had exposure towards this game. I heard Mrs. Ambani talk about this on television 2 days back, whereby giving an exposure to any sport helps a lot. I remember my father telling me years back कि दुनिया में सबसे सस्ती स्पोर्ट अगर हो दैट इज फुटबॉल. क्या चाहिए? जमीन. अगर आपके पास जूते ना हो, नंगे पांव, एक बॉल चाहिए, जमीन चाहिए, नो गोल पोस्ट, पत्थर रख लो एंड यू स्टार्ट द गेम.
Right.
You don't need expensive gear, you don't need nothing. This should have happened a long time back. I'm happy here as a father figure to Ranbir's endeavor. I wish him all the best, and eventually I do hope that I become also a football fan. Thank you.
Mrs. Ambani, for you, what is the most exciting thing about the Hero ISL and this new chapter?
I'm very excited, I must tell you this. But I'm the most excited with the opportunity that the Hero Indian Super League gives to connect with the youths. I think our grassroots program and the Young Champs program will give an opportunity for millions of children to take up football professionally and play and enjoy the game. And I think that comes the real excitement for the Hero Indian Super League.
Wait to the center for a quick photo opportunity. Like, while we're here. Thank you, very quick. Just. Thank you, Mr. Kapoor, Mrs. Ambani, Mr. Parekh, for being here. I'd like to request Ranbir to stay here for a little longer. I'd like to request you all to take a seat, if I may. I'm looking at your jersey, and that's definitely not Mumbai City FC. That is an FC Barca jersey. I mean, why are you in a Barca jersey?
Firstly, a very warm welcome to the Mumbai City Football Club logo launch. Rohan, I'm just savoring the last few moments I can have with my favorite international super club, Barcelona, because I think after today, because of the Hero ISL, I think this country is going to get their own super club and a team that 20 million Mumbaikars will call their own. So I've dreamt of this Superman moment when an international jersey comes off and we have our own domestic. Can you just hold this for me? So I would like to thank Neeta ma'am for this opportunity. It's really a dream come true for me. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And now, do you agree it's time to unveil the logo? It's time to unveil the logo, but we can't do that without a little fanfare. So if you want the logo unveiled, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to start making some noise.